King Arthur's real-life existence appears to be more than just legend, but his royal moniker might have been a little exaggerated. Hi, I'm Emily for Buzz60, and a college professor has uncovered new evidence that Arthur wasn't actually a king and that he wasn't English either. Dr. Andrew Breeze from Spain's University of Navarra uncovered new details about the iconic figure in a 9th century text written by a Welsh monk. He believes that the real Arthur was actually a general and not the king, and he hailed from Scotland, spending most of his life in Strathclyde during the 5th or 6th century. So was his table even round? I don't know what to believe anymore. Breeze claims that this document proves Arthur is a historical figure, alleging that it's also helped him find 9 locations of his legendary battles. He says 7 of those battles took place in Scotland, telling the Daily Mail, "We can say straight away he wasn't anything to do with stopping the Anglo-Saxons, he was fighting other Britons in the north." 10-year-old me would be so disappointed that the sword in a stone was so factually off the mark. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.